It is toothed dissecting forceps. It is used to hold tough structures like skin while suturing. Used to hold scalp while scalp suturing. Can also be used to hold rectus sheath while closure of the abdomen. Because of the tooth at the end of this instrument, it is mainly used to hold the tough structures, and it is traumatic a little bit. It is needle holder. You can identify this with, as you can see, there is a groove on the both sides, which is mainly used for better gripping of the needle, and it has also serrations for the same reason, better gripping of the needle. It is mainly used for suturing, and it also has a box type of joint. Needle is held with needle holder at the junction of 2/3 and 1/3 of the needle. It is Mayos scissor, which is used to cut tough structures like linea alba, rectus sheath during the entry in the abdomen. Can also be used to cut delicate structures like hollow viscous, investing layer of deep fascia of the neck in the thyroid surgery. Can also be used to raise skin flaps by sharp dissection. This is Heath's suture cutting scissors. Heaths, Heath's suture cutting scissor. It is used to cut sutures on skin and mucous membrane. The right way to hold this is like this. This is Langenbach's retractor. Langenbachs. Langenbach's retractor. It is used to help better visualization of the operative field. Tissue handling is minimized and bleeding is better seen and controlled, because this is mainly used for the retraction purpose. You can see the right angle forming over here.